With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The given question says a triangle ABC is right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB equals to 5 cm and BC equals to 13 cm and AC equals to 12 cm, find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. So if you understand this by figure, so let's say this is a triangle ABC with right angled at A. So A, B, C, this is right angle. AD is perpendicular to BC. So that means if I draw perpendicular here from A to BC, so that point is D and this is also a perpendicular. Now AB is 5, that is 5 centimeter. BC is 13, so that's 13 centimeter, and AC is 12 centimeter. AC is 12 centimeter. We have to find the area of triangle ABC and the length of AD. So now, since we know that area of a triangle is, let's write the formula here. Area of triangle is half base into height or altitude. So B is base, H is height. So in the case of triangle ABC, we can write area of triangle ABC will be half base. So if we see base AB, so for that height is AC, but also there is also another height, that is AD, and for that base is BC. So we guess there are two height and two bases. So for calculating the area of triangle ABC, let's take the base as AB and height as AC. So if we put the values of these, that is half AB, value of AB is 5 and AC is 12. So this gives us, this 2 will cancel this 12 6 times. So that is 5 multiplied by 6, that is 30 centimeter square. So that is the area of triangle ABC, that is 30 centimeter square. Also, if we see the area of triangle ABC as, now if we take base as BC, so we will get height as AD. So if we take base BC and height AD, and we have already calculated the area of triangle ABC, that is 30 centimeter square. So if we just put the values of these, we will get the value of AD because AD is unknown. So if we put the value, that is area of triangle ABC is 30 equals to half BC. Now BC is given as 13 and AD we have to find out. So now in this all is given, all values are given and AD is unknown. So that's how we find AD here. So for AD to find, all the constant will go on the other side, that is 30. Now 2 will be multiplied here and 13 will be divided. So that gives us AD to be 60 divided by 13. So the value of AD is 4.61 centimeter. So this is the value of AD. So this is what we have to find in this question. This is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.